Present perfect continuous tense example sentences. He has been reading the book for 2 hours. He has been reading the book for 2 hours. They have been playing football for an hour. They have been playing football for an hour. She has been finding the dress since morning. She has been finding the dress since morning. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours. We have been shopping at this fair for 2 hours. We have been shopping at this fair for 2 hours. I have been listening to melodious songs for an hour. I have been listening to melodious songs for an hour. He has been traveling around the world for a month. He has been traveling around the world for a month. I have been helping him to do the task for an hour. I have been helping him to do the task for an hour. My mom has been cooking for 3 hours. My mom has been cooking for 3 hours. I have been watching the concert for an hour. I have been watching the concert for an hour. I have been reading this book for 3 hours. I have been reading this book for 3 hours. She has been studying French for 5 years. She has been studying French for 5 years. They have been living in New York since January. They have been living in New York since January. He has been working at the company since 2010. He has been working at the company since 2010. We have been playing tennis all afternoon. We have been playing tennis all afternoon. The kids have been watching TV since 2 p.m. The kids have been watching TV since 2 p.m. I have been waiting for the bus for half an hour. I have been waiting for the bus for half an hour. She has been cooking dinner since 5 p.m. She has been cooking dinner since 5 p.m. They have been discussing the project all morning. They have been discussing the project all morning. He has been practicing the guitar for 2 hours. He has been practicing the guitar for 2 hours. We have been walking around the park for an hour. We have been walking around the park for an hour. The cat has been sleeping on the sofa since noon. The cat has been sleeping on the sofa since noon. I have been thinking about you all day. I have been thinking about you all day. She has been feeling sick since yesterday. She has been feeling sick since yesterday. They have been building the house for 6 months. They have been building the house for 6 months. He has been driving for 5 hours straight. He has been driving for 5 hours straight. The dog has been barking since the mailman arrived. The dog has been barking since the mailman arrived. We have been shopping since 10 a.m. We have been shopping since 10 a.m. I have been looking for my keys for 20 minutes. I have been looking for my keys for 20 minutes. He has been brewing his own beer since last summer. He has been brewing his own beer since last summer.